The LA County DA asking a judge to dismiss charges against 2 police officers in a 2018 deadly shooting.
CBS LA assignment editor Mike Rogers is at the desk. And Mike, this case has gone through 3 different district attorneys?
Yeah, Juan and Amy, it was originally reviewed by Jackie Lacey, then George Gascon, and now Nathan Hochman. Now, Jackie Lacey declined to file charges in the case, but George Gascon, when he took office, decided there were 4 officer-involved shooting cases he wanted to review. One of them was this case, and in this case, he decided that they were going to take it to a grand jury. They did that, and they ended up charging the 2 officers with voluntary manslaughter. Now, the charge in this is very particular, and it's one thing that Nathan Hochman is pointing out in his motion to ask for the case to be dismissed. We'll show you some video here. This is a case in 2018 where a man was sitting inside of a car and he had a shotgun in between his hand, or what they thought was to be a shotgun. It turned out to be an air rifle and not a shotgun at all. The officers say that they believe that the man was reaching for it, and that's when they opened fire and shot him. Now, then DA Jackie Lacey decided not to file charges at all. Then DA George Gascon had a couple of options in this case. He could have filed the voluntary manslaughter or gone after the involuntary manslaughter. The legal case, or the legal definition between those two, is intent to kill or not intent to kill. The statute of limitations on filing the involuntary manslaughter case has expired, so that can no longer be filed in this case, and that is why Nathan Hochman says the case has to be dismissed. He says there is not enough evidence to prove voluntary manslaughter, and the statute of limitations for involuntary manslaughter has expired.
The people cannot prove its case of voluntary manslaughter against these 2 police officers for this shooting beyond a reasonable doubt. I have agreed with that conclusion.
There have also been 2 special prosecutors assigned to this case, one under George Gascon and one now under DA Nathan Hochman. Now, in the case, each of them decided with their own superiors, essentially, that there is enough evidence or not enough evidence. So it will now go through the court process. A judge will have to obviously approve the request by the prosecution to dismiss the case. But the DA says there is just simply not enough evidence to move forward to charge these 2 officers. In the statement today, DA Hochman said he spoke with the family of the person killed by Torrance police. They are obviously, he says, not happy with the decision.
Okay, Mike, keep us posted.
Yep.
Thank you very much.